Tell me when he starts to move.
What do you think? Now he'll go downwind?
Yeah, he'll go crosswind. Let's see if we can keep an eye on him. I'll just keep this sucker running.
I don't think I'm going to get a very good picture.
Well, he's turned. If they practice it in Montreal, they have it all timed down.
Getting close. Put your legs farther apart.
He's turning downwind.
He'll go up in 200 knots.
Here he goes. Here he goes. I got him.
So reduce thrust takeoff.
Using all the techniques.
Make it as quiet as possible.
Yeah. God, it is quieter. Ah, there it goes. Oh. Not bad.
Yeah, that's quiet, man.
Quiet? Not quiet.